If I woke up tomorrow with zero money, zero followers, and zero experience, here is exactly how I would use free AI tools to make $1,000 a month. No paid software, no special skills, just a laptop and these steps. Let's go. Welcome back to Stacked AI, where we use AI to stack real money. I'm going to break this down into 4 steps. Each one builds on the last. And every single tool I mentioned today is completely free. Step 1, pick one thing to sell. And I don't mean guess, I mean ask AI. Open ChatGPT, it's free, and type, "Give me 10 services I can offer online using AI tools with no experience." You'll get ideas like writing product descriptions, making short videos, creating social media content, writing emails for businesses. These are real things people pay for every single day. Pick one that feels right. I'd go with short-form video scripts or social media content because that's exactly what AI is best at. Step 2, use free AI tools to actually do the work. If you're selling video scripts, ChatGPT writes them in seconds. If you're selling voiceovers, ElevenLabs gives you a realistic AI voice for free. If you're selling social media graphics, Canva's free plan has everything you need. You are the middleman between the client and the AI. That's the whole business model. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to know which tools to use. And now you do. Step 3, get paid. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, both free to join, and create a gig for your service. Charge between $50 and $100 to start. That's not a lot per client, but do the math, 10 clients a month and you're already at $500 to $1,000. You can also go direct. Find small businesses on Instagram or TikTok that have bad content or no social media presence. Send them a simple message. "Hey, I help businesses grow with AI, powered content. Want to see a free sample?" That free sample takes you 10 minutes to make with AI. If they like it, you've got a client. Step 4, once you've got clients coming in, start building passive income on the side. How? 2 ways. First, start a YouTube channel like this one, showing people how you do what you do. As it grows, YouTube pays you. Second, sign up for free affiliate programs. ElevenLabs, Notion, CapCut, these all have affiliate programs that pay you every time someone signs up through your link. Put those links in your video descriptions and social media. Now you're earning while you sleep. So to recap, pick a service, use free AI to deliver it, get clients on Fiverr or direct outreach, then scale with YouTube and affiliate links. That's your $1,000 a month roadmap starting from zero. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Stacked AI. I drop new videos every week breaking down exactly how to use AI to make real money. See you in the next one.